Hello, my dear students. Please welcome back in the suggestion classes. As we know, as we think, or as I think, you are little worried about your examination, but the remedy is very simple. Go through, go through all the videos of suggestion classes. Okay, and your problem is removed, fully removed. As we know that at the time of when the plane is take off, it required maximum torque. So the final touch is very essential thing. And in the last video we discuss some important problem. Okay, so let us start. The first question is select the pair whose dimensions are same. The options are pressure and stress. The second one is stress and strain. The third one is pressure and force, and the fourth one is power and force. As we know that pressure is equal to force per unit area, and stress is also equal to force per unit area. So dimension of pressure and stress is same. Now the second question is h by 2 pi is the dimension of your options are velocity. The second one option is momentum. The third one is energy, and the fourth one is angular momentum. The question is h by 2 pi is the dimension of your options are velocity, option 1, option B, momentum, the third option is energy, the fourth option is angular momentum, and the right option is angular momentum. Angular momentum has the same dimension of h by 2 pi. Now we discuss the third question, which physical quantities has same dimension. The first one is force and power. The second one is torque and energy. The third one is torque and power, and the fourth one is force and torque. Force mlt minus 2, torque ml square t minus 2. So it is the wrong option. mlt minus 2 and power is equal to work done by time. So it is also the wrong answer. The right answer is ml square t minus 2 torque and ml square t minus 2 energy. So B is the right option. Okay, now the fourth question is the dimensional formula for impulse is same as the dimensional formula for. The dimensional formula for impulse is same for the dimensional formula for. As impulse, as you know that impulse is equal to force into time. So force is equal to mlt minus 2 into time t, mlt minus 1, and momentum p बराबर mv. So m is m, and we put the dimension of velocity lt minus 1. So the dimension of momentum is mlt minus 1. So the right choice is A. The fifth question, which of the following is dimensionally correct? Pressure is equal to 4 energy per unit area. B, pressure is equal to energy per unit volume. C, pressure is equal to force per unit volume. D, pressure momentum per unit volume per unit time. As we know that the dimension of pressure is ml minus 1 t minus 2, and where we put energy ml square t minus 2 by volume L cube L. So the dimension is m L minus 1 T minus 2. So the right option is B, pressure is equal to energy per unit volume. Now discuss about the sixth question, which one has the dimension different from the remaining three. The first option is power, the second option is work, the third option is torque, the fourth option is energy. Which one has the dimension different from the remaining three? So the dimension of work is ml square t minus 2, the dimension of torque is equal to ml square t minus 2, and the Dimension of energy. Energy is also called stored work. So the dimension of energy is also ml square t minus 2. So the right unit is power. The dimension of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught is that of. The dimension of 1 by root under mu naught epsilon naught is that of. The dimension of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught is that of. As 1 by mu naught epsilon naught 1 by root under mu naught epsilon naught equal to c, the velocity of light. So the answer is very simple. Option 1, velocity. The dimension of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught is that of the dimension of velocity, because it is equal to the c, the velocity of light in vacuum. So the right option is A. Now we discussed about the 8th question. The physical quantity that had no dimension is. Your options are angular velocity. Angular velocity have dimension. Okay. Linear momentum, mlt minus 1. Angular momentum, ml square t minus 1. Strain, change in length by original length. So the strain is dimensionless. The definition of strain is change in dimension by original dimension. The two dimensions are cancelled each other. So the unit don't have any dimension. So the strain is the right option. Strain have no dimension. Okay. Now we discuss the 9th question. Name the quantity represented by the dimensional formula m minus 1 L cube T power minus 2. Your options are universal gas constant, universal gravitational constant. The third one is impulse. The fourth one is density. That and that is incorrect. Universal gas constant also contained mole, and in question mole cannot be mentioned. So the universal gas constant is also the wrong option. The right option is universal gravitational constant. Now the 10th question. As the 10th question, joule second is the unit of. Joule second is the unit of. Your options are: the first one is work, the second one is momentum, the third one is pressure, and the fourth one is angular momentum. And the right option is angular momentum. Okay. And the last question, Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for. Options are theory of relativity, law of gravitation, option C uncertainty principle, and option D photoelectricity. And Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for photoelectricity is the right option. So student, go through it. Best of luck for your forthcoming examination. Okay, goodbye.